She blank to the park yesterday. What fits best? The correct answer is D, went. I have blank apple in my bag. Choose the article. It's option B, an. What is the plural of child? The answer is D, children. They blank playing football now. Correct is C, are. What is the opposite of happy? It is A, sad. Blank is your name? Pick the right word. It's D, what? Choose the correct spelling for friend. It is C, friend. The sun blank in the east. Answer is D, rises. He blank not like coffee. Correct is B, does. A person who treats patients is a. D, doctor. The book is blank, the table. Where is it? It's A, on. She is good, blank, mathematics. Correct is D, at. Look at those, blank, in the sky. Plural form? B, birds. I, blank, seeing him tomorrow. Future plan? It's D, am. Which word is a noun? The answer is C, London. He didn't blank the answer. Correct is D, no. My car is blank than yours. Comparison? B, faster. Find the odd one out here. It's D, potato, it's a vegetable. She has blank her homework. Answer is C, done. Identify the adjective in red car. It is D, red. What does the idiom break a leg mean? It means B, good luck. Which spelling of necessary is correct? It is D. Necessary. Everyone, blank, present today. Tricky one. Correct is B. Is. What is the meaning of optimistic? It means D. Hopeful. I look forward to blank you. It's C. Meeting. A group of lions is called a. D. Pride. What is the synonym of beautiful? It is B. Pretty. Either you, blank, I am wrong. Correct is D. Or. Which sentence is grammatically correct? It's B. She doesn't know. Finally, what does piece of cake mean? It means D. Very easy.